Roblox creators lose sales because they click the wrong menu first. Don't be one of them. Watch closely. Start by tapping the three dots icon in the bottom right corner of the Roblox home screen to open the menu. This tiny button is your gateway to earning Robux. Here's what you'll gain: full control over your game monetization. Scroll through the menu and press the Create button. That takes you straight to the Creator Hub. Keep watching. The next step is where beginners get confused. Ready for a secret? Most people miss this. Inside the Creator Hub, click the three dots in the top right corner, find Creations, and click it. Right there, you'll see your default experiences. Click on it. This is where your actual games live. Don't skip this or nothing else will work. This step is very important. Press the three lines icon hamburger menu in the top left corner to open the dashboard. Yes, another menu, but this one controls everything. Stay with me. Here's where most people make a costly mistake. In the menu that appears, click the three dots again, scroll down to the Monetization section, and select Passes. If you click the wrong option, your pass will never show up in your game. Follow exactly what I just showed you. Click the Create a Pass button, type a name for your pass, then click Create Pass at the bottom to finalize it. That's it. You're now ready to sell. Use a catchy name and custom icon. Better presentation equal more sales. If this helped, hit subscribe and watch the next video where I show you how to price your pass for maximum Robux.